Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of herbs and exploring the amazing benefits of one of my personal favorites, the basil plant. From its aromatic leaves to its tiny seeds, basil has been cherished for centuries not just for its culinary value, but also for its incredible health benefits. So, if you're ready to learn about the wonders of this versatile herb, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. 1. Introduction to basil. Before we delve into the specific benefits, let's get acquainted with basil. Basil, scientifically known as Ocimum basilicum, is a fragrant herb that belongs to the mint family. It's known for its distinctive aroma and is widely used in various cuisines around the world. 2. Nutritional value. Did you know that basil is not just a flavor enhancer, but also a powerhouse of nutrients? It's rich in vitamins A, K, and C, as well as essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to basil's numerous health benefits. 3. Health benefits of basil leaves. Now, let's dive into the incredible benefits of basil leaves. Anti-inflammatory properties. Basil leaves contain compounds like eugenol that have anti-inflammatory properties, making them great for reducing inflammation in the body. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants present in basil leaves help fight oxidative stress, protect cells from damage, and even play a role in preventing chronic diseases. Immune system boost. Basil leaves are packed with vitamins and minerals that support a healthy immune system. They can help your body ward off infections and illnesses. Stress relief. The aroma of basil leaves has been linked to reducing stress and anxiety. A cup of basil tea can be a soothing way to unwind. 4. Basil seeds, a hidden treasure. Now, let's shift our focus to another remarkable aspect of the basil plant, its seeds. Digestive aid. Basil seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion, prevent constipation, and promote gut health. Weight management. When soaked in water, basil seeds swell up and create a feeling of fullness. This can be a helpful tool for those looking to manage their weight. Cooling effect. Basil seeds are often used in beverages during hot months due to their natural cooling properties. They can help regulate body temperature and keep you refreshed. 5. Culinary and medicinal uses. Let's not forget about the countless ways you can incorporate basil into your daily life. Cooking with basil, from classic pesto to garnishing salads and soups. Basil's vibrant flavor adds a delightful twist to various dishes. Basil as a natural remedy. Basil has been used in traditional medicine for its potential to aid in treating issues like indigestion, respiratory problems, and skin conditions. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of basil leaves, seeds, and how you can incorporate them into your life. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone looking to boost their health naturally, basil has something wonderful to offer. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, a little basil goes a long way. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching.